Good morning, traders. I just made a nice little trade and realized I didn't record it again. It's not so easy to do this. Not so easy. I'm looking at taking another trade here. I'm eyeballing it. And see if I can get one. I think I'm going to get one here. So let me take a look at it, and I will come back and try to hit the record button. Be right back. For you code traders out there, take a look at the 10-minute. Now take a look at the setup there, right? If it gives a short entry, it's most likely just going to continue to go down instead of popping back up. Because why? Well, look at it. It's already popping back up. So that's good. And then it will roll over and give a short entry. And it'll just continue to go down. Here's the bottom of the 10-minute. And take a look at the daily. There's the daily. Red bar going down. So a short entry would be a continuation of the red bar going down on the daily. And I need to better pay attention to to what's going on. That wasn't very smart of me. But you see what I was saying about it? Once it goes, it's just going to go down. That's what it's going to do. It's basically going to, go down pretty good. It could go down really good here. I'm just going to go for 20 ticks. Just take 20 ticks off the table. But I just got a very bad entry. I should have got in about 72. That's 3 ticks off. No big deal. Since I know which direction it's going to go, it's no big deal, I suppose. And I am using the full stop, so. But still, sometimes every tick can count, So you really want to get good entries, and I was looking at another chart, not paying attention to what was going on. Anyway, we have a short entry produced. I showed you what the daily and the 10-minute looks like. We are looking good. All I'm going for is just a nice little 20 ticks. I could probably get more, but the mathematics does in fact reduce. So I'm just going to go for 20. I'll come back and show it to you. It's going down here. Now I probably could get more off of this trade because like I showed you the charts. But again, I'm just going to go for 20. I want to keep the math high. One of the reasons why is because, well, you know what? There is no good reason. I should go for more. This really is one of those times to go for more. But anytime you do that, you do lower your math. I'd like to just keep the math high, get out right here, and be done with it. Let's see, is my exit below? I think it is. Let me go take a look at something. I think my exit is below the bottom of the... That is a bad place to put it. Okay, I got to go for more. I think it's... I can't tell. It's hard to tell exactly what it is. Let me go back and take a look. It's right back at around 10. 52, 53. 52, 53. Looks like the low. Okay, you gotta go for more here. I'm at 40. 52, 53, 43. Let me just take 43. That's 10 ticks. Never mind. Already got me out. Okay. I just, it was moving quick. It was moving quick. I just knew I needed to go for a little bit more and put it down there and just, hit for me real quick. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm through. The code 2 worked out real well today. Actually, it's been working every day. This thing is hot. It's red spanking hot. This one trade per day strategy. It is red spanking hot right now. So, man, you gotta love this code. You got to love this code. I mean, seriously, how could you not? I mean, it's like the best thing. It's okay. It's not super easy, and it does take some practice and some skill and application to being able to do this successfully. But what a whopper of an opportunity it is, and all people are able to do this too. Everyone, which I find really encouraging myself, which goes to show that it's really not very hard. Sort of the hard part was figuring it all out, but once you learn how to do it and it all works, it's not so hard. Anyway, I'm going to get going. In fact, okay, that one code 2 trade, a child could do that. A child could do that code 2 trade that I just did. A child. I could teach a 10-year-old how to do that trade, no problem. Easy. So, in that sense, it can be really super easy, obviously. It's like the easiest trade in the world, what I just took. So if you're struggling with the codes or anything like that, you should just do that trade. Just to make money and get yourself down and everything, and then expand over to the other codes, to the other code 2s, for instance, and make even more money. But I'm just saying, if you wanted the easiest trade in the world, that was it right there. The only reason why I'm taking it is because, I get up late. I hate waking up early. Otherwise, I take the other code 2 trades. Because this one's only good for 20 ticks. I only go for 20 ticks on this particular one, but it's very high mathematics on it, so 20 ticks is, a good trade. And sometimes I hit 30, like I think I just hit about 30 right there, so that was good. Anyway, I'm going to get going for the day. I'm tired, and I always say that. I'm always tired. No, I mean, I need to get going and get through and get on with the charting and the whole bit. A lot of stuff to do to help traders every day learn how to do this. Full-time job, that's for sure. Anyway, I'm going to get going. Hope you traders out there are doing well, especially I know you code traders are. You gotta be doing well. Even though the code was a bit choppy today, I basically made most of my good trade from the code 2, the one trade per day code 2, as you just saw. So, anyway. Well, when you know all the codes, you have the maximum advantage that you can have over the markets, especially the oil market, with code 2. Okay, I'm going to get going. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be here for the charting in just a little while, for you charting members out there, and I will be back tomorrow for some more trading. Hope you traders are doing well. Happy trading. See you tomorrow.